Hello, my name is Amish and I am from GST Invoice India support team. Today I will show you a new feature that we made public on GST Invoice India application. For businesses with more than 20 crores of turnover, they need to generate e-invoice from GST portal. And to cater to the same requirement, we have given you the facility to download B2B orders JSON file, which can be used to upload on GST portal. To generate e-invoice JSON, you need to open GST Invoice India application from Shopify apps and then click on GST Invoice India by Webplanex. On this page, you can see invoice JSON section. Click on this. Over here we have given you ability to select maximum 15 days range to download JSON file for your orders. You can also use several filters like today, yesterday, last 3 days, last 7 days, last 15 days, and custom range. That will be for 15 days only. GST portal has some fixed size limit for JSON file, so it may possible you may need to break down orders into multiple JSON files to get updated on GST portal, and hence we are limiting a maximum of 15 days of orders for JSON file to generate. If you fulfill orders from multiple location, you can use filters for B2B orders location wise too. Once you select the date range, use this filter if there and click on validate order button. Now system will fetch all B2B orders from your store and check whether all mandatory data is available or not in a particular order. If in a particular order some mandatory data is missing, system will give you prompt like this, and you need to click on this link and can add those data on the fly to get those orders updated. See here we have two type of issue, and the major one is update seller detail field. Let's click on this and see the instructions. See over here it's written please update store details from setting page. Let's click on this and see what is missing. Over here, let's see, try to find out what is missing. I can see store address is missing. So let's set some store address, sample address. The store address will go here, street, number, number 2, Ahmedabad. Gujarat. Right. Let's save it. Okay, details are saved. Let's again click on this validate button only and see what happens. See, major ones are gone and validation successfully done, but still some things are pending. So let's see. Over here it's mentioned update buyer detail fields. Let's click on this. Billing address is only missing. I am adding just like this. Let's go and validate and see. Update ship to field. Update. It's on. Update buyer detail fields. Again buyer billing. Buyer billing address. See, It's done. Now you can see that in some date stamping is there. Why this is there? Because previously for the test purposes we have already selected these orders and generated JSON for it. So we have a date stamping over here. So you can avoid these orders for generation purpose. Otherwise, it will be duplicated on your GST store. So you can remove these orders and click JSON and just select orders for which JSON are not yet generated. Like this, you can select multiple, or if or even you can select all. But as we have some date stamping already there, we cannot select all and we need to remove those fields to avoid duplication on the portal. So I have selected the ones which do not have date stamping in it. In other words, which do not have JSON already generated. Now once I selected, I can click on this link, generate JSON, and see JSON is downloaded already. Now again, let's click on this and see date stamping is there or not. I have clicked on this button and see for every orders JSON stamping is done. So now these orders are successfully downloaded in our JSON file, and we can use this file to upload this to the portal. Now let's log into eInvoice portal with your credentials and select bulk upload option under the eInvoice menu. On this page, you can click on browse button and select the JSON file which has downloaded to your computer. Then click upload button to upload the selected JSON file. Once the process is completed, you can see e-invoices are generated for your orders, and you can see those in tabular format. Even you have ability to download file on Excel, or you can even download signed JSON file from this section. Hope this is clear on how to upload e-invoice to the GST portal. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us on live chat and we will be happy to help you out. Thanks. Signing off.